Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to animate button on hover in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. On left side you see search widget. So right add button. So we are going to add button widgets. Now you see button. So drag and drop here like this. Now you see button widget edit. On left side you see content style advanced, and then in content you see type text, so you can add text and link. Now we are going to animate button on hover. On top you see style, so click on it. Then in style you see normal hover, so you can set text color, background color. Now you see hover, so click on it, and then you see hover animation. Now select, you see multiple options, shrink. Now hover on it, you see. Now select another. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.